So what's up guys, this is a quick video update why I bought digital land. We have this website called earth2.io that will allow you to buy crypto land or digital land, and we have multiple ways to buy real estate online. One is the real estate investment trust ETF or real estate ETF with all those categories right here on screen: office, residential. You can buy all types of real estate with Finbis website, which is a stock screener. You can buy lots of homes and houses with a click. Um, you can filter the dividend yields, and the reason why I bought this digital line I will tell you now. But you have also other alternatives like crowdfunding websites like BrickSaves and others that from 1,000 US dollar you could buy property and you get the average annual return between 6 and 9%. And once the project is fully funded, you get an income deposited on your account. So I'm going to run to this running pit in Buenos Aires, and Earth Earth 2 platform, which is very much like Google Maps, allowed me to buy this the tip of the church because the sun goes down in the sunset behind this beautiful church. So I bought this land here for maybe 10 US dollars, and every time I see it, it's like a manifestation technique, and I see myself as a landlord. So we have all these websites, but we have a crash of the digital real estate market inside the game called Second Life, like more than 10 years ago, when was happening the real estate crisis of 2008 in the United States. And I remember the Wall Street Journal article, because this digital world, Second Life, will have a banking crisis and a real estate crisis. Once the liquidity, real market liquidity goes down, we have a crash in all the crypto wars and the virtual wars and the virtual markets and the virtual real estate markets. Everything's crashed if the real life liquidity crashes too. So that's what happened 10 years ago with the virtual real estate market. And Second Life also had a financial industry and banks inside the game. And we have a Shinko Financial Bank. It was a bank inside the Second Life PC games, and they have a bank run at that time, and it was 2007. It was 1 year before the real estate crisis hit harder than the crash of Lehman Brothers. 1 year was a virtual real estate crash. 1 year before the the real life real estate crash. And they have Linden's deposit for 200 million. That was 700,000 US dollars deposited inside a virtual bank inside a virtual world called Second Life. So this banking industry crashed, and there was a bank run and bank meltdowns and limits on withdrawals. And this was a reminder what could happen if the real life liquidity goes down in virtual worlds. Now we have all the NFTs or non-fungible tokens, crypto collectibles. All those markets depend on very important liquidity, and maybe all the investors are going to these crazy or risky environments seeking shields because the bond market is destroyed, and we have to people is hedging against inflation in the United States. So the best real estate crowdfunding sites are, according to Investopedia, are CrowdStreet, Diversified Fund, and all these others. I will check the link below in the video. And you have now a very interesting concept that you have mega corporations or funds, like Zillow, that they are using artificial intelligence to prop up the market value of those of some houses and pre-buying homes to sellers even before they hit the market, and that the business model behind all these pre-purchases of real estate, according to the famous YouTuber Graham Stefan, sorry, is that iBuyer concept. Is like they are gathering the real estate market intel from the purchase side, from the sellers, and they're offering more money just to get the data, and then have a business of real estate ads that with better intel they get the best paid ads in the real estate industry. So this is the reason why I bought the digital land. I bought the digital land just to use it as a token of visualization token for manifestation techniques and abundant techniques. Every time I see this place in the earth, I imagine I am a landlord. So I hope you enjoyed this update. Thank you very much. Bye bye.